how to create a Facebook page. So if you want to create a Facebook page, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, go with the pages option. Now under pages here, you will have all of the pages. So you can simply go with create option, which will be on the upper left, to create a Facebook page. You can choose personal profile or a public page. I'll be choosing a personal profile. Go with next and enter your profile name and your profile photo. So I'll be naming it as test, and then go with continue and go with create profile, which is on the bottom, and it will switch to your Facebook page. And now you can simply select the profile picture or take a selfie and go with next. And you can add some friends if you want to. And you can also join some groups to see more in your feed, but I'll not join any group. Just simply go with next, which is on the bottom. And you can simply follow the persons who inspire you or who entertain you, and then go with next. And you can manage the profile settings. You can control who can interact with you, decide who can tag you on your profile, and you can set controls for your public post, review profiles that you've blocked, and then update your location settings. Now tap on manage settings if you want to manage the profile settings, and if you don't want to, then just go with not now, go with done, and that's it. You've created a Facebook page. So that's how you can create a Facebook page, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.